In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Tasks notify you. This simple yet incredibly useful tip will ensure you never miss a beat with your to-do list. Whether you're managing your day-to-day activities or juggling multiple projects, setting up notifications for your Google Tasks can significantly enhance your productivity. Let's dive in and see how you can set this up in just a few minutes. First off, head over to Google. It's where all the magic begins. Once you're on the Google homepage, you'll notice a Sign In button at the top right corner. Click on that. This small step is the gateway to accessing a vast array of Google services, including the one we need today, Google Tasks. After clicking Sign In, you'll be prompted to enter your email. Take a moment here to type in your email address correctly to avoid any login issues. The next step requires your password. Enter it carefully. Remember, taking care of your password's confidentiality is crucial for maintaining the security of your digital life. Once you've entered your password, click on Next. This action will grant you access to your Google account, effectively unlocking the suite of Google apps and services available to you. Now that you're signed in, it's time to head to the Google dashboard. The Google dashboard acts as a control panel for your Google services. Once there, keep an eye out for the waffle icon, sometimes affectionately termed the Google Apps icon, due to its grid-like appearance resembling a waffle. Click on it. This icon is your key to accessing a variety of Google applications quickly and easily. Among the list of apps, you'll find Calendar. Click on it. Google Calendar isn't just for keeping track of your meetings and appointments. It's also where Google Tasks are managed. Once you're in Google Calendar, look for the Settings icon. This might look like a gear and is usually located at the top right corner. Clicking here will open the doors to a mountain of customization options for your Google Calendar and by extension your Google Tasks. In the Settings menu, navigate to Notification Settings. This option will allow you to control how you receive notifications for your tasks, among other calendar events. Look specifically for the Alerts section. Here is where you can tick the option to Notify Me. By enabling this, you are essentially setting up Google Tasks to send you notifications. This is crucial because no matter how good your memory is, we all can use a little nudge now and then. Checking the Notify Me box is that nudge, ensuring tasks don't slip through the cracks. And just like that, you've set Google Tasks to notify you. It's a simple process, but one that can profoundly impact how you manage your time and tasks. Whether it's a small daily reminder or critical deadlines, Google Tasks, combined with notifications, ensures you're always on top of your responsibilities. Remember, staying organized isn't just about making lists. It's about creating a system that ensures those lists guide your actions. By leveraging notifications in Google Tasks, you're building a system that nudges you toward completion of your tasks, ensuring productivity isn't just a plan, but a reality. And there you have it. You now know how to make Google Tasks notify you. Hopefully, this simple guide helps you streamline your tasks and boosts your productivity. Remember, in the world of digital organization, small tweaks can lead to significant improvements in how we manage our tasks and time. So give it a try and let's make those tasks work for us, not against us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our next tutorial.